Bananas, good afternoon, good morning, good night. It depends on where you are watching this video. Okay? Me stay out of my way and I live my life. In a business with nobody business. Hey. Anyway, guys, know me have Madonna's them and them reach out to me and from time to time we do the content on what they ask me to do. I'm here for Madonna's. So if they reach out to me and I ask me to give them when me would I do in a feed them um like in a feed them what do you call that word now? Like put myself in a feed them shoes. Them want me to give them my advice and what me would I do in a certain situation. Um I am no way, shape, or form a counselor or advisor, but it's just my opinion and what I would have done in a situation like what they asked me. So from time to time, I always have them telling me to do a videos on this topic and that topic, which is interesting, and I don't mind doing it because when I'm a Donnas and me we share my opinions publicly told. Okay, this is just my opinions, what I would have done if I am in that situation. So when it comes on to relationship, it's very sensitive, and I have to be very careful what I said because I don't know these people, and I don't want anybody to like say me influence somebody to do this. But I am just telling you what I would have done. Okay, so when I'm done, I reach out to me yesterday and she said that let me read what she said. Okay, she said, Miss Donna, a man married me only to come to the US. I am very hurt. Advise me please. um and as I said before, I am not an advisor, but it's just I can give my best encouragement. I mean everybody learn from their mistake. Everybody learn from what they do. And what I would have done in that situation, I would not just like it depends on what I'm go through because I don't know the full story. She just give me I was gonna ask her for more information so maybe I could direct it. But when somebody married to somebody, they married to somebody for better or for worse. These people sound like make it sound like a highway independency, for better or for worse, sickness and in health, right? Things don't always work out. Nobody not born together. Must be together. And even though me know my husband so long, at the same time, me still I try to protect my heart every single day because my heart is very, very fragile. Your heart is very fragile, and you have to protect yourself in every way. So it's like I don't want to fall. I don't want to have that. Let me express it now. Love that if somebody me and them together and them break me, no won't hurt. But me not gonna hurt myself. Me no want to put that much effort into somebody that is not me. I should put that love into me because I am not gonna hurt me. But of course you have to learn love your partner and they said equally, but at the same time you want to love yourself more. And that's my advice. I don't know the situation. I don't know how they met, but because I'm trying to give her my best advice that I would have been if I'm married to somebody to come here, because as you guys know, my husband married me and bring me here. If I was in my husband's shoes, I would have done the same thing. You know why? Because we had a relationship back home, and that relationship develop into a lot of love on both sides. So that is my only reason I would marry to somebody. I would have to be living with them back home, build a relationship, know the kind of person, even though you can be with somebody for years and you still don't know them. But I was aware and I know enough to know that my husband is a person who treat me with pride, dignity, and respect. I know enough for years. I know him for years before he migrated to the US, and we were still communicating while he was here. So I know enough. In that situation, I would go back and marry to somebody. If I meet somebody online, I wouldn't do it. So as I said, I don't know how they met, but I'm just telling you my thing. If I meet a man online and they are in any other country, it doesn't matter which country, even my country, I wouldn't go and marry to them. I would have to live with that person, know who that person is, because see me and live with me is two different things. You don't know somebody until you actually live with them. You want to know if you can tolerate them. You want to know if you and them, and it's like you going on vacation and go look for this person. You don't know them. One of the other thing that one of my Madonna said to me one time is that she met someone online. They're from a different country, and they um she said she met the person online and she sent money to them. And the minute she stopped sending money, he started to have an attitude. And you know that is a red flag. If you're with somebody and they're in a different country, that's just my opinion. And you give them a money every now and then, nothing is wrong with that. But for me, every now and then, you hear me say, because me no mind man. I've never done it and I will never ever do it. Um, I'm not saying I won't give them something if I know that they wanted to like if they wanted to accomplish a dream, like they're gonna start up a business or stuff like that, and I'm sure that they're going to do it. They started to show me process that they're going to start up a business. Absolutely, I will send the money for them to help start that business. But it's just for them to flaunt and do whatever. That's just not me. Kudos to everybody who does that, but that's just not my thing. Okay, I wouldn't do that. All right, the next thing is, um, yes, so she said she's very hurt about the situation, and it's good that you guys can just tell me what you think about it and drop it in the comment section because she's gonna be reading the comment section. So leave your thoughts and give her the best advice what would I do if you find yourself in that situation here. Just drop in the comment section because that will help her to maybe get over whatever she's going through. So yeah, that's just my better advice. I wouldn't do something like that if I don't know the person. I have to know them and have a relationship with that person for me to do something like that. I'm not gonna do it. That's just not me. And that's because I don't know much about the situation, so I can't talk much about it. But that's my best advice. Anyway, guys, big up on yourself and don't forget to like the video. Adios.
So, Queen, um, I was listening over the message that I actually was talking about pertaining what I wouldn't do, but I didn't address the fact that you are hurting. And I want to address that now. You are hurting. My advice to you right now, because there's nothing you can do about it, right? So after I finished record, I realized I really didn't adjust how I could, you know, encourage you to feel better. So after I record, I realized I didn't said anything about it. But my best advice that you're going through is to, if you have any friends, um, maybe a male, somebody who you know you can flirt with, they will help you to get over that. Also, if you have girlfriends that you're close with, take time out and go out and have dinner. Don't just be by yourself and depressed and get stressed, but be as active as much as you can, because that will actually help you to get over faster. If you know of somebody, like a male, and you explain your situation to them, they can actually help you to get over. Not go sleep with them, but at least, you know, you have some male friends like that where we motivate you and tell you that you deserve better, and yeah, just try to find a way of loving yourself and always put yourself first. Don't find yourself back in this situation, and you learn from every mistake that you have, and every day is gonna be a better day than yesterday. So you will get over it. Just keep yourself active. Don't just depress and cry and them something. They not do that. Maybe in the first half you might feel that way, but start getting yourself active and go out, have a dinner with a friend or something like that, and get yourself very much. They have this thing called rebound. If you know of a guy will like you, and him know of your situation, talk to him about it. Because sometimes it's so much better for you even talk to a man about the problem you go through than a woman. So. But as long as you don't go and sleep with that man where you talk to, make him be a friend, make him be a rebound friend. Just don't sleep with him. And that's my best advice. I wish you all the best. And, let me know how things work out for you. Have a blessed night and big up yourself. Thank you for reaching out. Bye bye.